off our clothes and dance in the rain, sand in our toes.